All right, everybody, welcome back. You know how much I love to share cool finds that can help you out there.
Absolutely, always on the lookout for those gems.
Yeah, and this one, I got to tell you, this one's a doozy. It's called Tiny Thinkers, 50 Animated Kids Stories.
Oh, yeah, I remember you mentioning this one. 50. That number just sticks with you.
Right. Like, seriously, 50 animated video stories all ready to go and designed for kids.
I'm already impressed, and we haven't even scratched the surface.
Oh, buckle up, because here's where it gets really wild. They're offering unrestricted PLR with this. Unrestricted.
Okay, for those who might not be familiar with the term, what does PLR actually mean for someone using this collection?
So PLR, it stands for private label rights. And it's basically like having a golden ticket in the content world. You can take these
Which are
stories,
already done for you, remember?
exactly,
Mhm.
already done, beautifully animated, and you can tweak them, rebrand them. You can even resell them as your own.
So you're not just consuming content, you're empowered to become a creator, a distributor, even an entrepreneur.
That's it. And all the profit, every single penny, stays with you. No royalties, no restrictions. It's a game changer, truly.
I can see why you're so fired up about this one. It's like handing someone a fully stocked workshop and saying, go build something amazing.
And you don't need a fancy degree to do it. The best part is, these are all editable in Canva. Can you believe it?
Canva, so user-friendly. I mean, half the world's already on Canva making birthday invites and social media posts.
Right. No intimidating software, no steep learning curve. If you can drag and drop, you can customize these stories. Add your logo, change the colors, make them your own.
That accessibility is huge. They've removed so many barriers for people who want to create engaging content but might feel intimidated by the tech side of things.
It's like they've taken all the excuses off the table. The
Yeah.
possibilities are endless. You could be creating amazing videos for your kids at home,
Educational content for your website.
social media, even courses. And the themes they've chosen, oh, so good. Honesty, courage, creativity, kindness, love, teamwork.
Those are the building blocks, the values we want to instill in kids, right?
Absolutely. They're not just silly stories. These have heart.
And, kids learn best through stories. They connect emotionally. It makes the message stick.
It's brilliant, really. So let's say you've always wanted to create children's content, but you just didn't know where to start.
Or maybe you felt overwhelmed by the process, the animation, the voiceovers, the time commitment.
This is your answer. Tiny Thinkers has done the heavy lifting for you. You get that professional quality without the headache.
And we haven't even touched on the potential financial upside. This is a $22 billion industry we're talking about.
22 billion. And that number's only growing. Parents are hungry for quality content,
Yeah.
something that entertains and educates.
And with the PLR, you have the freedom to monetize these stories however you see fit. Sell them individually, create bundles, build a whole brand around them. It's up to you.
It really is. And hold on, because there's more. They're also including count them, six free bonuses.
Okay, now you're just spoiling us. What kind of bonuses are we talking about?
So you get a bundle of over 100 kids' mazes, another bundle with over 100 Sudoku puzzles.
Great for keeping those little minds engaged.
You also get handwriting practice templates, story and book templates, a whole bunch of jokes and riddles.
Perfect for adding some extra fun and variety.
And a bundle of comics templates. It's like they thought of everything.
This is a content creator's dream package, seriously.
I know, right? So let's recap because this is important. With Tiny Thinkers, you're getting 50 ready-to-go animated stories for kids, complete with voiceovers.
The fact that you can edit them in Canva is huge, makes it so simple and accessible.
And don't forget the unlimited export potential. Use them on your website, social media, YouTube, wherever you want.
And of course, the PLR, which gives you complete control. You can sell these, repackage them. The possibilities are endless.
All for just $12.95. They're calling it a limited time launch discount, so if you're even remotely interested, I'd jump on it now.
That's a ridiculously low price for the sheer amount of content and the rights you're getting. It's a no-brainer investment, really.
Right. It is. So if you're ready to tap into that booming kids entertainment market, or even if you just want some amazing content for your own family,
Check it out. Seriously, go see for yourself. You won't regret it.
I'll drop all the details for you so you can explore it further. And honestly, tell me what you think. I'm so curious to see what you create with this.
I am too. This is one of those tools that could really spark some incredible projects. Who knows what people will come up with.
Exactly. That's what I love about sharing this stuff. It's about empowering you to create, to share your voice, to make a difference.
And to have fun along the way, let's not forget that.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive, everyone. We'll be back soon with more exciting discoveries, so stay tuned.